Dean Schneider, a well-known wildlife conservationist and animal advocate, has always been a polarizing figure in the world of animal welfare. His dedication to the animals at his Hakuna Matata Oasis sanctuary is unquestionable. Yet one particular aspect of his care has sparked significant controversy: his practice of feeding lions with other animals. This topic has generated heated discussions among his fans and critics alike, leading many to question how someone who professes such love and cares for animals can condone the killing of some to feed others. In this video, we will be talking about the mind-blowing thing Dean did because of this, how he gets other animals to feed the lions. Additionally, we will explore the feeding sessions between the lions and much more. But before we get started, could you make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content? Thanks to all those who did. Dean Schneider's sanctuary is home to a variety of animals, including a pride of lions that he has raised and nurtured. His deep bond with these animals is evident in the countless videos and social media posts he shares, showcasing their daily lives and interactions. Through these platforms, Dean educates his audience about wildlife conservation and the importance of protecting endangered species. However, the footage of lions feeding on carcasses of other animals has left some viewers uncomfortable and conflicted. Critics argue that Dean's actions seem contradictory. They point out that he often speaks against poaching and emphasizes the need for humane treatment of animals. Yet, by feeding his lions with animals such as zebras and water bucks, he appears to be participating in the very cycle of violence he condemns. This has led to a divide among his followers. Some believe that there must be alternative ways to feed the lions without resorting to killing other animals, while others understand the practical and biological necessities of maintaining a lion's diet. The controversy reached a boiling point when Dean posted a video of his lions tearing into a freshly killed zebra. The visual of the lions feeding on the zebra was powerful and raw, showcasing nature in its most unfiltered form. Yet, it also sparked a wave of backlash from viewers who found the scene disturbing. Comments flooded in, with people expressing their discomfort and disappointment. They questioned whether it was necessary for Dean to show such graphic content and whether it aligned with his message of love and respect for animals. Dean, being someone who deeply values his community's opinions, took these concerns to heart. He decided to address the issue head-on and explain his reasoning behind the feeding practices at Hakuna Matata. In a follow-up video, Dean shared that the feeding of lions with other animals is a reflection of their natural diet in the wild. Lions are obligate carnivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of meat. In their natural habitat, lions hunt and kill other animals to survive. This predatory behavior is a fundamental aspect of their biology and cannot be altered. Feeding them with carcasses of other animals allows the lions to engage in behaviors that are essential for their mental and physical health. It provides them with the stimulation they need to remain healthy and active. Additionally, this practice helps mimic the conditions they would experience in the wild, ensuring they remain true to their nature. However, understanding the public's concern, Dean decided to try an experiment that would push the boundaries of conventional lion feeding practices. He wanted to show his fans that he was listening to their concerns and willing to explore alternative options. This led to a surprising and unprecedented moment in his sanctuary: the introduction of fruits and vegetables into the lion's diet. In a bold move, Dean walked into the lion camp carrying a bowl filled with fruits and vegetables. This was an attempt to see if the lions would show any interest in plant-based food. The lions, accustomed to their meat-based diet, were visibly puzzled by this new offering. They sniffed the fruits and vegetables but quickly lost interest and walked away. This outcome was not surprising to Dean, who anticipated that the lions would not accept the food. However, he wanted to demonstrate to his audience that he was open to trying new methods and willing to listen to their feedback. This surprising experiment was not about changing the lion's diet, but about demonstrating the importance of understanding and respecting their natural needs. Lions are carnivores, and their diet cannot be replaced by plant-based food. This experiment reinforced the idea that while we can strive to make ethical and compassionate choices, we must also respect the natural order and the biological needs of these majestic creatures. Dean's experiment highlighted a crucial aspect of wildlife care: the necessity of adhering to the natural dietary requirements of the animals. Despite the backlash, Dean remains committed to educating his followers about the realities of animal care and the complexities involved in maintaining a sanctuary. His transparent approach helps foster a deeper understanding and appreciation of nature's intricacies. Lions, as apex predators, play a critical role in their ecosystems. In the wild, they hunt and consume a variety of prey, ranging from small antelopes to large herbivores like zebras and buffaloes. Hakuna Mipaka Sanctuary is a 3.6 million square meters of land that is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including potential prey species for the lions. To prevent overpopulation and resource depletion, Dean and his team periodically cull certain animals, selecting those that are old, sick, or surplus males to feed the lions. This practice not only helps manage the sanctuary's animal populations, but also provides a natural and nutritious food source for the lions. Feeding the lions with animals from the sanctuary is a decision rooted in ecological and ethical considerations. It ensures that the lions receive the necessary nutrients from their diet while maintaining the natural order within Hakuna Mipaka. Additionally, it respects the natural predatory instincts of the lions, allowing them to engage in behaviors that are essential for their physical and psychological well-being. Dean Schneider's lion feeding sessions are nothing short of spectacular, offering a rare and captivating glimpse into the raw power and natural instincts of these majestic creatures. One of the most memorable moments in his videos is when he feeds his lions with a water buck, weighing in at a staggering 150 kilos. The water buck, with its incredibly thick skin, poses a significant challenge for the lions to open. Yet, Leo, one of the dominant lions, steps up to the task. Leo's strategy is both practical and instinctive. He starts by tearing into the softest part of the carcass, the belly. This part is not only the easiest to penetrate, but also leads to the most desirable parts of the animal, the meat and intestines. These organs are rich in nutrients and are highly sought after by the lions. As Leo opens up the carcass, the scene becomes a chaotic yet fascinating scramble for the best pieces of meat. The lions use their razor-sharp claws and powerful jaws to tear through the tough hide and access the prime cuts inside. One of the intriguing aspects of watching these sessions is observing the natural hierarchy and competition among the lions. As Leo secures his portion, the other lions jockey for position, each trying to get a piece of the action. This often leads to minor disputes, showcasing the social dynamics and pecking order within the pride. Despite the apparent ferocity, these interactions are a normal part of lion behavior and play a crucial role in maintaining the social structure of the group. Dean Schneider provides insightful commentary throughout these feeding sessions, enhancing the educational value of his videos. He explains that a lion's skin is not attached to their flesh, which makes it highly elastic and resistant to tearing. This adaptation is crucial for lions, as it allows them to endure the rough and tumble of their social interactions and hunting activities without suffering significant injuries. This elasticity is why, when lions use their claws on each other, their skin rarely cuts open. Another fascinating feeding session involves a 250-kilo zebra. According to Dean, a zebra of this size can sustain the pride for 5 to 6 days. Once again, Leo takes the lead in the feast, while Dexter, another prominent lion, exhibits a different behavior. Dexter's natural protective instincts kick in, and he begins patrolling the area to ensure their meal is safe from other potential threats. This behavior mirrors what lions do in the wild, where the dominant male often keeps watch while the pride feeds. Dean's joy and pride are evident as he joins Dexter on his patrol, reinforcing the bond between man and beast. Dexter's vigilance is particularly heightened by the presence of a noisy hyena in the sanctuary, prompting him to be more alert and protective. This behavior is not just a testament to Dexter's instincts, but also a reflection of the natural order in the wild, where lions must always be on guard against scavengers and competitors. The dynamics change significantly when the amount of meat dwindles. The scarcity of food intensifies competition among the lions, leading to more aggressive interactions. For instance, Nayla, one of the female lions, attempts to challenge Dexter for a better portion of the remaining meat, resulting in her receiving a few sharp smacks on the face. These moments, while seemingly harsh, are essential for maintaining discipline and hierarchy within the pride. Dean Schneider's lion feeding sessions are more than just a display of raw power and natural instincts. They are an educational experience. They provide viewers with a deeper understanding of lion behavior, social structures, and survival strategies. Dean's detailed explanations and first-hand observations offer valuable insights into the lives of these incredible animals, fostering a greater appreciation for wildlife conservation. Lions are obligate carnivores, which means they must eat meat to survive. Their bodies are designed to process animal flesh, and their digestive systems cannot handle plant-based foods. Feeding them with carcasses allows them to engage in natural behaviors like tearing, chewing, and defending their food. This is crucial for their mental stimulation and physical health. In conclusion, Dean's transparency about these practices is crucial in educating his audience about the realities of wildlife management. Many people are unfamiliar with the complexities of maintaining a balanced ecosystem and may find the idea of culling and feeding animals to predators distressing. However, Dean's open communication and educational content help demystify these practices, highlighting their necessity and ethical grounding. If you love this video and would love to see more, please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.